I'm Jeff Salvino with the Daily Salvo. For those who claim that Occupy Wall Street and its global network of protesters isn't much different than the Tea Party, just remember that last week a group of Occupy Denver demonstrators set fire to their campsite. Meaning, in addition to allegations of public defecation, rape, and murder, you can now add arson to the Occupy rap sheet. Which, by the way, points to the glaring difference between occupiers and Tea Partiers. One group has clearly occupied more handcuffs, courtrooms, and jail cells. For more, visit dailysalvo.com.